Division of axillary artery. It is divided into three parts, depending on its position, relative to pectoralis minor muscle. First part. It is proximal to pectoralis minor muscle. Second part. Lies deep to the pectoralis minor. Third part. Lies distal to pectoralis minor muscle. First part. It gives only one branch, superior thoracic artery. It supplies the first and second intercostal spaces, and the upper part of the serratus anterior muscle. Second part. It gives two branches. Thoracoacromial artery, divides into four branches. Pectoral branch, supplies the pectoral muscles. Deltoid branch, supplies the deltoid muscle and the shoulder joint. Acromial branch, supplies the acromion and the deltoid muscle. Clavicular branch, supplies the subclavius muscle, and the sternoclavicular joint. Lateral thoracic artery, supplies the serratus anterior, pectoral muscles, axillary lymph nodes, and the lateral aspect of the breast. Third part. Subscapular artery. It is the largest branch of the axillary artery. It further divides into circumflex scapular artery. It supplies the scapula and surrounding muscles. Thoracodorsal artery, supplies the latissimus dorsi muscle. Anterior circumflex humeral artery, encircles the humerus, and supplies the shoulder joint and deltoid muscle. Posterior circumflex humeral artery, encircles the humerus, and supplies the shoulder joint and deltoid muscle.